Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kumba ars pangut ki Samla Pule jong ka Ribhoi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School kabadon ha kisnong nongpo jong ka Ribhoi District kilalaban pendep ya ka program ka bashiposngi ka badai halor ka soft skills career readiness talent and aspiration identification kajing temu jong ka ni ka program ka longban pentebit ya ki Samla Pule halor ki sap ki phong baki don bar khamtam bakin mi shakmat klem kano kajing tieng ni jing smej ban penpau halaka sap ka baki don ha kajing im ya kani kajing ai jing hikai bala pun kot ha ka khat khandai tarik unaitung arjar khat khandai bala tip ru kum ka Aspire Meghalaya Initiative ya ka bala penlong lemba ka flagship program jong ka sarkar Meghalaya nak benta ban sandur ya ka lawai jong ki khon Samla ha ki skol ba pher ka jilla la ai jing hikai da ka avenues Shillong rengkat ka jing trai lang jong ka skol ba pher na ki Pratali ki district la Beijing rap pisai ya kani jing ai jing hikai Lyngba ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs harangkat ka jing trai lang jong ka Department of Arts and Culture jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ha ka jing putkot ya kani ka program ai jing hikai lai don lang ru menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad ke sangma u balalong u kongsan harangkat ka jing don lang jong ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka Ribhoi District ka kong RM Kurba kum ka sembut kongsan u Managing Director jong ka Avenues u Mark Stone Lightplang u principal ka RBP Higher Secondary School uba W Radu bat kiwei haba pun kutno ya kani ka program la samru ya ki kusnam syaki khna Pule ki bala shimenta ha kani ka program bat nakaliang menteri rangba ka jelaru ula pelaj pai ba ya ka official textbook ka bayadai bat ka Aspire Meghalaya programs
haga jingim jengi ni don kam ban bu ya ga gol kenang bangin long bat bangin la ban kenjo haga kalawe ga jingim jengi gomba suong no ba most of the people are unhappy because they don't know where they are going in their life but sakaweru nga ong nga kwa ban ong hagne ka por kat kum ka jing sung thu jonga ka bangalayo na kane ka avenues kelas kaba lawan hagani ke school jongi ba kane ka gol lada nyimbu ya ka gol hagi jingim jongi kata kamun relax focus on directions in our life baru hagi jingim jongi kibriu kane ka gol kalong ka badon kamba bat nga suong no hangne bat ngakwar ban ong hangne kalong ba kagol kade kata ka bangis dang ban perkhat ya ki idea bat mai ha ka chingim jongi
when I joined it is completely different. Not only I did learn to speak but also to rediscover myself, to challenge myself and to overcome my fear. What touched me the most is to come forward with courage, with confidence and explore our mind and express our words and feeling to know ourselves better.
My dear students, I want to tell you 2-3 things. Number one, have you heard of a country called Iceland? Have you? Do you know the population of Iceland? The population of Iceland is 3 lakhs. Iceland has got 3 lakh people. Do you know the population of Meghalaya? You should be knowing. The population of Meghalaya is 33 lakhs. We are 10 times bigger than a country called Iceland in terms of population. And yet, do you know that Iceland reached the World Cup semi-finals in football? I hope you know that, right? This is why we are all here. It is not the numbers that matter. It is not that Uttar Pradesh is the biggest state in the country, or India or China the biggest in terms of population. not the quantity, but the quality of every individual that we produce. That is what makes a difference to a state or a nation. And that is why Iceland, even though it has a population of only 3 lakhs, and India, which is a population of more than 100 crores, today Iceland reached the semi-finals of the World Cup, but yet India could not even qualify for the World Cup. My young friends, I want each and every citizen of Meghalaya to be productive. I want every youngster who is going to come out in the world tomorrow to be the best that you can, to be able to contribute maximum to yourself, to your family, to the society, to the state, to the country, and to our Mother Earth. And it is with this vision and this idea in mind that we decided that we must ensure that the best in you comes out. And I'm not saying that this one program will change everything. It takes time. But this is a step, one step towards that goal, to ensure that each and every one of you can contribute and come out better than maybe what you think you are. A lot of people from the world and the country look at us sometimes. I was in Delhi. I don't want to take names of people, but I was with one very senior officer of Government of India, an IAS officer. And he was telling me about how Meghalaya will face difficulty and challenges. And I asked him why. He said, no, tribal people, you will not be able to handle the situation. And I can tell you I was shocked when that officer said something like that, a very senior officer. But maybe it's not his fault. But that's the mindset that people have about us. But the saddest part about this whole thing is that it's absolutely not correct. And therefore, it is up to you and to me to change that mindset that persists. And I think this program will help you realize that there's much more to you.